Hi traders, today is 29 of July 2019. So this is a live trade WTI crude oil market, CLU9 September contract 2019. So this is US session. So we are about 3 minutes after 10 a.m. New York time. My local time now is 10:03 p.m. So in this video you will see how I do trade during the US session, mostly a scalping in a quick strategy. So this is a typical daily signal we will receive during the US session. So at this moment the market did make a reversal. It's quite strong after the a good bullish during London session. So now try to reverse back further down. So we are still waiting for any signal which will appear within next 15 or 35 minutes time. So we hope to get a good signal as usual, normally around 150 to 300 US dollar per day per one contract. So I just close one position during London session. So this is my top step funded account. So that's why I exit early compared to my signal. If you watch in the description, there's a signal for London session inside the Telegram group. So you can follow that one. So this is a US session. So let's take a look on the volume. So there is a large volume been seen at the bottom part of the price, somewhere here. There's a peak of the price, mostly below the current price. So we are at 56.23 at this moment. There's a large volume waiting at 56.15. Okay, another one, 56.00. This is a common price level. So I'm still targeting for the bearish movement tonight. So let's wait and see for the next 30 minutes how the market will react. So at this moment we have not received any signal yet. So there's a small chance for the market to do a breakout somewhere here. But at this moment it is most unlikely that the market will go to that direction. But still this is quite important level somewhere here before the full breakout here, which most of the trader of the breakout strategy will wait. But I will enter far more earlier. But at this moment there's no strong signal, so we will keep waiting. Okay guys, it has been 27 minutes, so far no signal yet, but it's quite interesting. It's quite interesting because the market might have a short sell signal in the next 13 minutes. So this we are expecting for the market to break further down. So at this moment let's take a look on the pivot level. So at this moment we are at the pivot level, so further down will trigger downward movement. So there's a strong indication that the market will go for a bearish movement, but this will confirm in the next 30 minutes. So hopefully we will find a signal here, not really a breakout, but somewhere higher, just around the pivot level. So this brown horizontal line is the pivot level. So let's take a look on the volume. So it's quite interesting. There's a high volume waiting at 56.22. On the higher side there's nothing, but on the bottom side, I mean the below for current market price, there's a 56.16, 56.15, high volume 56.06, 101, 56.00, 200 plus, further down 55.92. So this all quite important level. So let's say if the price go further down, so we might see there is a large volume as well waiting down there. So by the way, please subscribe this channel, like and share, and also comment if you have any idea or you ask something, you can ask over there. So it looks good at this moment. As expected, the market will go down. Hopefully the market will not go below 56.03. Okay, so if go below, then we have to wait another 30 minutes or 1 hour. It's too strong at this moment, so let's take a look on the volume. Okay, there is around 5605, 5606. This is the price level mentioned just now, so let's take a look on that one. Oh, now the price move very fast. I think we are already missed the opportunity. Never mind, we wait for the red signal to appear. Okay guys, we suddenly have received a buy signal at 56.30. So now we are moving to target is 56.47. So should be around 17 ticks. So let's wait. Hopefully this can provide a good profit for tonight. So let's wait. So I'm still expecting for the market to move a quick reversal to somewhere here, perhaps later on further down. So but we will exit somewhere here from this breakout position. So this is my entry, 56.30. I queue at 56.29 due to the slippage, so I did enter at 56.30. So let's take a look on the volume. It's quite interesting because just now there's a high volume waiting on the downside, but now it changed a little bit. So I did manage to watch there's a high volume at 56.48. So we escaped the market at 56.47, so which is 1 ticks below the highest level, and above current price level there's no immediate high volume. It's quite moderate. You can see here it's quite moderate, so only this spike at 56.48. So let's take a look. Hopefully this will trigger, this will end pretty soon. The price still around our entry point, so let's wait patiently. So we are just 1 tick, 2 ticks. It's not really impressive at this moment. We are about 8 minutes before new candle arrive. So let's take a look on the activity log. So I did enter my positions at 10:48 a.m. New York time, so my local time 10:48 p.m. So we are about 5 minutes entering the market. So let's take a look how long it will take for us to reach our target. Doesn't look good. Still floating negative. 1 ticks, 2 ticks. Okay, now it looks quite fast. So okay, there's a high volume waiting here at 56.33. So this might trigger some quick demand on the short term. It's still high at 56.48. Another high at 56.53. So this will be interesting. So at this moment, there is more high volume on the upper side rather than the bottom side. So this might give me opportunity to exit the market with profit, hopefully in a short period of time. So we have another 6 more minutes before a new candle appeared. Okay, now the candle looks green, pretty much very fat. Okay, now it's go up very fast. So we are 100 ticks, 100 US dollar, 90 US dollar. So I have to escape if the price return back to normal. So there's a still high volume at 56.48. So 142. Okay, fuck. No, price drop back. So let's take a look on the high volume, still at 56.48. Most of the people are exit at 56.43. I didn't see that. So let's have more patience. So we have 5 more minutes for a new candle to be appeared. At this moment, my profit is around 240 US dollar for today. Looks good. 240. So my trailing stop will be at the break even or one tick higher. Hopefully the price will not return back, so please go to the upper side. So there's a large volume here at 56.40. It's quite near to the current price level, and for 56.40 it still remain the same. 56.58 as well. No, it disappeared. 56.50. It's quite common. 56.48. Now the nearest high 56.40, only 90 left. So it keep increasing. Hopefully the price can spike. I need to be careful. I don't want this trade to be negative. Okay, still high 56.40. Create a quick demand here. I will try to live record this. 56.40 is still high, much more higher. Compared previously is 144. Now back to 140. Still 56.40 here, quite high. 110. Try to exit if the price good enough for me, because I'm 200. But if you can reach this price level of 56.47, much more better. But I cannot hold much longer because we're entering the market at 10:48. Now it's 10:57. So we are about 9 minutes inside the market. So this strategy is supposed to be a quick one. Perhaps sometimes 1 minute, 2 minutes. Okay, this is not good. You're back. Need to be careful. Still there is a price 56.48 and large volume waiting here. I'm hoping there is a more larger volume waiting on the upper side, but at this moment 56.50 is the common price level, so it's not related to this high volume waiting on the upper side or lower side. So we are 8 ticks, so $80 in profit. So let's pray the price will go for the okay. We found 56.17 quite high. 56.12 is quite high. So now a bit worried if the price try to reverse back. So it's quite tense at this moment. I don't want to lose anything. Theoretically, but if the price didn't go to the direction, then I will exit immediately, because there's money involved. This is my money. So we are about to enter a new candle. I will pause this video for a while. Okay, looks good. The price suddenly spiked when close. Why red? Shit. Oh, okay. Just need to be careful. So better to put my stop limit order 56.19, which is around 11 ticks further down. There's still a large volume at 56.17. Okay, only one. And 56.48. Let's take a look. Still high. So whether I need to hold my positions, but now I'm still at negative side after a good positive at $110 in profit. Need to be more patient. Okay, I will pause this video. This is gonna take some time. Okay, we are resuming back. Looks good so far. Okay, the price are still at our entry point. Just 2 ticks above my entry limit. Okay, now 50 looks fast. So let's take a look if 56.40 still remain the highest, more than 100. No, below 56.48, now reduced to 135. Lack of demand on the upper side, but still the highest. So there is a 56.18, looks high. Okay, 56.17 still the highest. So okay, looks nice at this moment. 60, 70, 80. Yeah, no, 50, 70. I will try to break even perhaps. I don't want to take more risk on this trade, so I can close my day to day with a positive account. Okay, still all the price level will still remain the same. For in terms of the volume weighting, 56.40 suddenly become higher, 100, more than 100. 56.48 no, increase back to 155. It did hit my trailing stop, just no luck. We try to queue back again. Okay, there's a large volume at 56.40. I think 56.29 is a good entry just now. I shouldn't move my stop limit. Oh, a bit stressful. I try not to double up my position, so let's take a look if this works. As I thought, market still short term, very tiny short term bullish. 56.33 looks high. 56.40, 56.48, 56.53, 56.58. All these quite important price level at this moment. There's also a large volume waiting at 56.17. Still the same. That's the only high on the price below my entry at previously at 56 to 29, which is that's the signal. We are about 20 minutes after the first signal appear. This is gonna take some time, so I will pause this video. Looks like the price stay down, stay low at this moment, but still around the entry signal at 56.29. So I have Q another 2 lot, 56.32, 56.36 instead of 56.30 or 56.31 or 32. Price did reverse back to the respective signal area 59 56 to 29. There's a lot of message coming in. Okay, we are in the market. One lot position. So now the price might go for the second entry. So there's a high volume waiting at 56.40. So I just entered just now the second entry at 56.32. So another 3 more minutes, a new candle will appear. Okay, enter the second trade. So I'm in the market with 2 lot position size. Okay, looks good at this moment. So the price go to 56.40, which is the nearest high. So it's 56.45 as well. 3 more minutes for the next candle to appear. Hope to close it in a good profit if the price reverses back to the previous sell stop. Then I need to consider to stop again, because it looks like on the small time frame the price might ranging a little bit. Still waiting for the price to go for the upper side. 2 more minutes, sorry, 1 more minute for the next candle to appear. Still quite low, only 2 ticks, which is 1 ticks each. Okay, looks nice. 56.38. Okay, new candle appeared. Hope this green candle. So let's wait. Still large volume waiting at 56.40, 48. I will keep this video live recorded to see the outcome of this trade. Today is 29 of July 2019. Looks positive at this moment. Not much, only tiny profit. So now back to zero. It looks very tough. I'm not sure what actually happened. So still high, 56.48, but not that high as compared to previously around 155. So let's go higher. 56.58. Keep remaining. On the downside also 56.17. Still maintain the same. I hope there's a quick spike to this TP area. If not, then we are in deep trouble for today. Okay, we are in the green. Still remain the same position. At this moment, 80 ticks. Now back. The market really tests me tonight. So we are about 2 minutes before the new candle appeared. So we are about 120, 100 US dollar in profit. So when it's break 56.40, it looks much more nice for the bullish kind of movement for the short term. This is a scalping US session strategy, 120. So we almost break. 56.40 is quite important, so we can reach another few more ticks on the upper side. Try to exit it immediately. Hope the price will spike. So the new candle will appear in 2 minutes. At this moment, looks green. If turn red, then I need to be more careful. Okay, it break for 26.40. So now we are 160, 120, 140, overall 220, 240. So 1 more minutes before a new candle appeared. So still there is a large volume on the upper side, 56.48, 56.45 on the upper side. No, so just to be careful with the sudden reversal. So 140 this moment. Okay, not so good. Not so good. Few seconds for the new candle. Shit. Is it first? So I exit at 00 for a second. Now the price, will it go higher? I'm not sure. There's a set signal here. Okay guys, I think that's all for tonight. Just 100 US dollar. Okay, just a day trade. It's not a good day trade today. Continue again tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye.